Engine 1814 out on scene here at West 9th Place, just off of South Vancouver Street in their own area, Station 64's area. For a vehicle fire, it doesn't look like the vehicle was on fire when I got here. It was just overheating, some light smoke coming from it. Now it doesn't look like there's anything showing, so Engine 1811 is responding as well, but I would imagine they're going to be canceled. I don't think they're going to be needed, but we'll go ahead and see here.